guys and welcome. It is first day of Vlogmas. It is November 24th. It's a Saturday and I would just like to take a moment to welcome anybody that had stopped by to my channel for the first time. Welcome. I hope you like what you see and I hope you stick around, subscribe and like my video. And for the rest of you guys who follow me on a regular basis, thank you so much for your support. I could have not been where I am without you guys. So, Vlogmas, we've all been waiting for Vlogmas. Well, some of us, not maybe all of us. And I thought I'd do it this year. So here I am. Today is a pretty exciting day. I'm getting together with a couple of my girlfriends and we're going to be making Christmas pots, Christmas urns for our front, some Christmas indoor Christmas decor with the fresh greenery. So I'm going to take you along to some of it. We're going to go shopping together, so I'll probably take you for some of that as well. So it should be a pretty good day one. If you are wondering what I'm wearing, so on my eyes, I don't even know whether you can see, I am wearing my brand new palette, the Sultry from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have just gotten this palette, and on my lips I am wearing the NYX. It is Soft Matte Lip Cream in San Paulo. It's SMLC08. My hair is wet. Well, usually I have my hair up. Let's just face it. It's almost always up, but right now it's wet. We'll see how it looks when it dries. It never looks good. So let's get going. Alright, so I'm in a van now and I'm gonna go pick up my friends. As you can see, I had filled up all the supplies I need. Mine is the gloves, the shears, and I think I need duct tapes and a garbage bag. And that I'm gonna bring later because right now we're just getting supplies and then we're gonna go get the rest of the stuff. Then we're gonna get together at night around 6 and we're gonna do it at actually my sister's house. Do you see what I'm talking about here, not cooperating? So anyways, all right, so let's get going. So we had made it to the nursery. It's raining. My wool sweater that I'm wearing is gonna be wet. I'm gonna be like a wet sheep. So we're at the Real City Nursery and I'll show you all the things they have. It's pretty cool. They have these berries. I think I'm gonna get a few of these. Well, actually probably a bigger bundle. And these. Probably need some of these. I just don't see a price. I'm gonna have to ask. pretty. Ooh, $67.99. So we loaded up the van. It's going to smell like a Christmas tree. So I just got back and I'm actually in the basement now because I stopped at the dollar store and picked up, needed some craft foam, the floral foam, and I also picked up some stencils for a project that I have in mind. But I picked these up and I wanted to paint them for tonight for my pots. So I'm going to paint them with the white chalk paint, and I think I'm going to distress them a little bit. So here they are, all painted. Just need to dry before I put some black wax on them. And I use the Annie Sloan, the lighting, alright, Annie Sloan chalk paint in Old White. So I had dropped off my daughter at dance, and now I'm just at the Goodwill trying to find something for my Goodwill challenge. Kind of had something in mind, but I don't think it's gonna work out. I don't think I can find it. So I had finished the snowflakes and I have added some dark and clear wax to them. It's an all-purpose room, workout, craft time, all sorts of stuff. Anyway, so I had added the dark wax to them. So for dinner tonight, I am making some of my freezer meals. I have the regular lasagna and then an eggplant lasagna as well. And then we'll have leftovers tomorrow for lunch. Just didn't want to mess up my kitchen too much, so I decided to do freezer meals. So we are now in my sister's and we're just getting ready to make the pots. So I have my 2 pots set up over here with white birch, and I'm gonna add greenery. I'm not gonna give you a step-by-step, but I'll show you the progress.
In the Valley Village.
So I have my creative tool, and this is how far I have gotten. The lighting's not very good, but I'm still need to add a little bit of color to it. So I finished my pots and now I'm moving on to some indoor arrangements, and I will show you the well, I won't show you the process. Maybe I'll just take you along and show you a few things. So I had finished my indoor pieces and I'm super happy the way they turned out. So there's that one, and then there's one here. So it was a very fun night. Now I have to go leave and pick up my daughter from her outing, which it's almost 10 p.m. at night. So I will be going to pick her up, and I think I'm gonna finish the vlog here tonight. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, have a wonderful day. See y'all tomorrow.
What if I like photobombed it?